This is the first vlog. This is my 305 5 liter. It is a V8. This is the battery I bought for it, as you can see. Monte Carlo. Right now we are changing the struts on the Monte Carlo. This is the inside of it. Monte Carlo. Everything's locked. Can't get in this. This is the original radio station. It only plays AM. The seats are in the back. Right now the seats are inside. We have them inside because we don't want it to mold. This is the back seats. As you can see, all original back seats. Everything's original. The steering wheel. The steering wheel is Monte Carlo original. It is a 4-speed automatic. Stick shift. And that's what I got for you. That's the inside of it.
Robert, go upstairs and get that spool of white string.
And that is the 305. 1985 Monte Carlo. Do one more body count. The paint job is a $10,000 paint job. Green lac. I'm going to get it repainted. Okay. Alright.
Go upstairs in your mom's room. There's that spool wire there. Or white thread, white string. You gotta put a tarp up.
And that's it.